Hey y'all, Bubba the Redneck here. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can see the battery percentage on your iPhone. So come on! Number 3. This one's a piece of cake, y'all. All you gotta do is swipe down on Control Center and your battery percentage is right there in the upper right hand corner. Easy peasy. And you just swipe back out. You're good to go. Number 2. All right, y'all. For this one, we're going to go to settings, and then we got to scroll down just a little bit until we get to battery, and then we're going to turn this on where it says battery percentage, but I want you to look in the upper right-hand corner there where your battery symbol's at, and when we turn it on, you'll see that your percentage shows up right there. That's another one that's easy peasy, and then when we get out of settings, it's still up there. Number 1, and this is my favorite, y'all. This one takes us to where you get your widgets. Which is called Today View. You just go to your home page and swipe to the right one time. All right, and we're going to click on Edit. And then we're going to click on the plus button in the upper left-hand corner. And this gets it to where you get your widgets. Then we're going to scroll down just a little bit until you see batteries. You click on it, and it's going to give you a choice of 3 different widgets. You got that single one, that one right there, which allows you to see 4 different devices, and this one, which gives you a list of your devices. I like this one right here. We're going to click Add Widget down here at the bottom, and it adds it automatically. Once all my devices connect, this is what it looks like. It's like a battery command center. I can see my iPhone, my Apple Watch, my AirPods case, and my AirPods all in one place. It's really neat. Well, there you go. 3 quick and simple ways to see your battery percentage. Now do me a favor and be part of the percentage that hits the like button. See ya.